everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and say hello to everyone. How are you doing? What are you working on today? I just finished this hat this morning, and so I wanted to show it off to all of you in this video. I am representing my favorite team. And using the green and gold here. I am going to be releasing this crochet pattern for this fabulous hat this Friday for Free Pattern Friday. It is an exclusive pattern, so make sure that you sign up for my newsletter. It's in the description of this video to get linked to where to sign up for it. So make sure you sign up for the newsletter. You'll be able to get this hat pattern this Friday for Free Pattern Friday. If you don't know what Free Pattern Friday is, hi, are you new here? Welcome. I am doing a Free Pattern Friday every month, one Friday per month. I choose randomly and I give you guys a free crochet pattern written PDF digital download that you can get for free for 24 hours. Once the 24 hours is up, the pattern, it will no longer be free for a PDF. It will still be free on my website, but you have to go to my website and have all kinds of ads everywhere. And I know a lot of people don't like that, so they just want to print the pattern and keep it forever, which you will be able to do this Friday for this hat pattern that I am releasing on Friday. I'm so excited about it. I'm using this Brava yarn. I used these two colors. Brava is fabulous. It's by WIP Crochet Knit Picks, and this green color is called Grass. Look at that, that's so nice. And this yellowy color is called Caution, and green and gold look great together for the team Packers, Green Bay Packers. I am originally from Green Bay, so I love the colors green and gold. We bleed green and gold in Green Bay in Wisconsin. So yeah, and this pom on top is just so fluffy. Love it so much. So in this hat pattern, I used the Herringbone half double crochet stitch. Have you heard of it? It is so simple and so much fun. And let me take this off here so you can see. It's actually really warm right now. I'm like kind of sweating in here, but I'll put this up to the camera so you can see closely. And look at how cool. It's kind of got like a zigzaggy type of stitch going on. And that is the Herringbone half double crochet stitch. When you turn your work every row, it just makes that little like zigzaggy type of stitch. It looks really cool, kind of like arrows. So if you don't know the Herringbone half double crochet, don't worry, there are tutorials online for you to figure this stitch out. And if you don't want to do that, you can just do a regular half double crochet and it will still look so fabulous. So this hat rolls up, as you can see. You could wear it slouchy if you wanted to. Has the nice stripe there, and then you can fold this up. So what colors will you be using? What's your favorite team? Any Packer fans out there? Any cheeseheads? Let me know what your team colors are and who you represent in the comments below. I just had so much fun making this hat, and using this Brava yarn from WIP Crochet is just awesome. Just go to crochet.com. That's it, crochet.com. You can get the Brava worsted weight yarn, and I literally just used one full skein of my main color and just part of a skein of my second color, because the second color is only 5 rows of the stripe and then in the pom, and that's it. So super fabulous pattern. It was so much fun to make. Can't wait to release this on Friday for all of you. Now, this is going to be the adult size, but in the crochet written portion, I will share smaller sizing and how to make it for children as well. So you can make it for the whole family. This hat fits me, it fits Nate, and very comfortably, and it's very stretchy. It is very nice, and nice and warm. Like I mean, it is summer, so I'm like warm already, but it's definitely making me sweat here. Anyway, It was a lot of fun. I can't wait to release that on Friday. Make sure to sign up for my newsletter to get all the information on when you can download this for the 24-hour period, and then you'll be able to have it forever. Another thing I wanted to talk to you about, I wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who took advantage of the Would Be Fancy sale last week. You guys are so wonderful. That sale was very successful. All the crochet hook handles did sell out almost immediately, and that was a lot of fun. I use these crochet handles, these hooks all the time. Actually, my bag is in the other room. Let me grab a hook real quick. I got all the sizes. I have like so many. Here they are. So this is the crochet hook. You can get any crochet hook size that you prefer. It is fixed in there. It's a lightweight handle, but it's carved, hand carved into the way your hand, it just fits in the palm of your hand really nicely. I mean, these hooks are so wonderful. I use them in all of my tutorials. I know I talk about them all the time, and you guys love them too. I know a lot of you have shared your reviews on them. A lot of you have full sets, which is awesome. If you hold your hook like a pencil, great. And if you hold your hook like me, like a knife, great too. They have left-handed hooks, right-handed hooks, all of it. And international shipping too. So thanks to everybody who took advantage of the sale. If you are still interested, there's no sale going on at the moment, but there's sales often. You can go and favorite the shop and get updates on when sales are going on and when he posts a new product and all that, because they sell out so fast. The demand is high. So thank you to everybody who's supporting the small business. It's great. Lastly, I want to talk to you guys about this weekend's event. We have the micro fashion weekend event that is Saturday and Sunday in my group YARNutopia World on Facebook. So make sure you join my group YARNutopia World. You have to answer the 3 initial questions, and then once you answer the questions, I will approve you into the group. So make sure to do that. If you do not answer the questions, we decline the people who do not answer the questions, so you have to reapply. It's a private group and we do exclusives in there, so really exciting stuff. And we have events every month. So this month we have the micro fashion weekend event. Micro fashion is like, micro is like small, so anybody smaller than an adult. We can do like, micro is like baby, basically baby fashion. And micro fashion. So we're gonna do anything baby related. So you can do children, toddlers. I have a toddler now. I can't believe it. Nasser is running around. He's no longer a tiny little baby. He's still a baby in my eyes, but he is the cutest little toddler. So I'm planning to make him a piece this weekend and hopefully release a new pattern soon for all of you, for your little babies. I have a cute sweater idea that is, my mom designed it. It's so pretty, or beautiful, or cute. It's really nice for boys and girls. You can choose the colors, obviously, that fit your liking. I'm gonna do one in, I wonder if I have the colors here. I don't. It's going to be like a blue color and a charcoal color in the Brava yarns. Let me grab it. Here. This color blue is denim. So it's going to be the accent color, but the main color is going to be a charcoal gray. So I'm going to do charcoal gray and this color. I don't have it with me. I don't know why. But I'm going to be making the baby sweater in those colors. But for girls, I mean, you can use like pinks and purples and I don't know, red and hot pink, or just cute little turquoise and pink, or gray and pink. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I'm just looking at my stash on the side over here to see what colors I have. So I'm gonna make one for Nasser, and if that goes well, I'm gonna make one for my niece, Alana, and we will hopefully have that. I also do have these 2 colors in Lion Brand yarns that I got last week. Remember I did that unboxing? So fabulous. And I was gonna make my niece some dress maybe, or a cute little sweater in these bamboo colors. Pink and green, it's so cute. So yeah, we've got a lot of things going on here. I'm so excited. I love this crochet projects that I have going on the hook. I have a collaboration coming up that I know I mentioned last week, so I'm really excited about that. Let me know your favorite Packer team, just the Packers. Let me know your favorite team and what colors you would use in this hat on Friday when I release the pattern. Make sure you join YARNutopia World Facebook group to get in with the event. Join my newsletter and check out Would Be Fancy. Those are all the things I talked about today. I just put Nasser down for a nap, so I am going to get a little bit of work done, some more crocheting while he's sleeping, and I have a few chores to do. And yeah, we'll just catch up with you next week. Have a great rest of your week. Have a safe weekend, and I'll see you next time. Happy hooking!